Welcome to Monkey's Talk and Unlock. The treasure chest is locked, and only you can help open it. You'll need your workbook cipher to unlock the secret message. Here's how it works. Every time you see a golden key, a number will appear. Write down the number. Then use your cipher in the front of your workbook to find the letter. At the end, you'll have a secret sentence to unlock the chest.
Listen carefully. What are the monkeys doing? Lola is reading a book. She is cooking dinner. He is sleeping. They are dancing together. You listened carefully and unlocked the listening key.